paper everywhere, crumpled in your bag, stuffed in drawers. Trying to track your expenses can be a nightmare, especially if you're juggling personal and business finances. But what if there was a way to automate the whole process, say goodbye to paper clutter, and gain control of your spending? Enter expense management tools like Neon. This video will be your one-stop guide to opening a Neon account and taking charge of your financial well-being. By the end, you'll be a pro at submitting receipts with a tap, categorizing expenses with ease, and generating clear reports, all from your phone. But before we dive in, let's address a quick question that might be on your mind. Expensify, another popular expense management tool, has an unbundled fee. This fee applies if you don't use their corporate card. The exact cost depends on your plan, but it can range from $5 to $18 per month. Alright, back to Neon. Opening an account is a breeze, and the best part? It's completely free. Here's how to get started. Download the app, head over to the App Store or Google Play and search for Neon. Download and install the app. Create your account, open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Tell Neon about yourself, provide some basic information like your name, phone number, and date of birth. Connect your bank account. Neon uses secure connections to link with your bank account. This allows them to import your transactions automatically. Don't worry, Neon adheres to the highest security standards to keep your financial information safe. Congratulations! You're now the proud owner of a Neon account. Take a moment to explore the interface. It's intuitive and user-friendly, making expense management a breeze. Now that your account is set up, let's explore some of Neon's key features. Effortless receipt capture. Gone are the days of scrambling for receipts. Simply use your phone's camera to snap a picture of any receipt, and Neon automatically extracts the relevant information, including date, vendor, amount, and category. No more manual data entry. Smart categorization. Neon uses clever algorithms to categorize your expenses automatically. Whether it's groceries, gas, travel, or entertainment, Neon sorts everything into clear categories, giving you valuable insights into your spending habits. Customizable budgets. Set spending limits for different categories. Neon will track your progress and send notifications when you're approaching your limit, helping you stay on track with your financial goals. Easy reporting. Need a report for work or personal budgeting? Neon generates clear, easy-to-understand reports that summarize your income and expenses for any chosen period. These reports can be exported to various formats for further analysis. Seamless integrations. Neon integrates with popular accounting software and financial tools, making it even easier to manage your finances comprehensively. Neon is a game-changer for anyone who wants to simplify expense management. It's free, user-friendly, and packed with features that can help you gain control of your finances and make smarter spending decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.